If you have a bunch of built up stress, it's all going to be gone by the end of this video. If you don't believe me, just watch. You're going to be completely relaxed by the end. Just tap the side of your hand like this. Don't overthink it. And take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold the breath. Tap the top of your head as you hold. And then tap the inside of your eyebrow and release out through your mouth. Take a deep breath in. Hold it at the top. Tap the side of your eye like this. Tap underneath your eye and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Finding a rhythm now. Breathe in deep through the nose. Hold it at the top. Tap above your lip. Tap below your lip and breathe out slowly through the mouth. Last one, breathe in through the nose. Hold it. Tap below your collarbone like this. And then tap underneath your armpit, 4 inches below your armpit. And slowly breathe out through the mouth. And close your eyes if you feel safe to do so, or rest them on a spot in front of you, and just tune into your body now. And just notice any emotion that's flowing. Don't think about it, just pay attention to your body with your mental spotlight. And just relax your muscles. Notice any built up stress or anxiety or overwhelm. And whatever extent it feels safe, just let it start to rise to the surface so it can flow and start to move through and out of your body. Just feel it float up, don't try to pressure it down. Even if it's a bit uncomfortable at first, just notice the sensations in the body and allow them to be there instead of fighting them or trying to avoid them. And as you notice them in the body, just really release control over them. Just imagine them like a spontaneous current of energy, and you're just tracking it with your attention. You're just allowing it to flow spontaneously and focusing on it closely as you stay relaxed. And really start to relax into a place of total surrender, to where you don't mind if the energy's there, you don't mind if it leaves. You're just noticing whatever energy remains from a place of curiosity and patience. And now start to imagine it gradually dissolving and releasing. Imagine like you don't need to carry any old stress anymore, and you're just allowing it to flow up and out and through your body, up through the top of your head without even trying. Just like you're relaxing and you're allowing it to evaporate into space. Like a cosmic vacuum cleaner is just sucking it up out of your body. Just feel yourself relaxing more deeply. Feel lightness and spaciousness opening up within the body. And then pay attention to your hands. Notice your hands and fingers tingling with energy. With your body totally still and relaxed, move the attention to the lower arms. Feel the upper arms and shoulders moving smoothly in a relaxed way, tracking the energy to the neck, to the jaw, to the nostrils, to the eyes, to the top of the head, moving smoothly to the back of the head, the back of the neck, the upper back, the chest, the belly, the lower back, the pelvis, the upper legs, the lower legs, letting go of thoughts and just tuning into the feet and the toes. And now take a deep, slow, gentle breath in and feel the wave of energy expand up through your feet and your legs, all the way up through your torso and arms, all the way to the top of your head as you feel your whole body head to toe. Feel the wave of energy moving slowly up and down the body. And feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed in all of your muscles as your mind stays awake and alert, sensing the body head to toe with a slow wave of energy. Feel all thoughts and concerns floating away into the deep background and just the simplicity of your deeply relaxed body and the subtle aliveness of the tingling life energy head to toe in this moment. Sensing the stillness in your body and the stillness all around you. Not thinking about it, just sensing the stillness without thought. Going deeper into the stillness and the relaxation. And then just visualize yourself carrying this stillness and relaxation back into your day. See yourself and feel yourself relaxed and quietly energized. And then come back one moment at a time. Notice how you feel. Let me know your experience in the comments. I would love to hear. And search the mental level on YT. Practice a little bit in the morning, a little bit in the evening. You're going to recondition your nervous system within the matter of a few weeks to operate out of this space instead of a low-level fight or flight and stress. So just practice a little bit every day.